Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading. It's come to you live from Vietnam. It's a great time to be live, guys. And we're going to be talking about the proof. The huge proof is in that cryptocurrency is here to stay, and cryptocurrency is the best option when it comes to the collapsing of all the banks, guys. So the proof is in, and we're seeing that right now, guys. If you take a look at what's going on in terms of the crypto markets are reversing. The crypto markets are going up, guys and gals. So this is really important, and this is huge proof that crypto is here to stay. And you know, with all of this banking collapses and all of this stuff that's been happening, we are seeing that cryptos are going up. Bitcoin is going up. Dogecoin is going up. We might see a little bit of chippity chop, but overall things are looking very good. So we're going to be talking about the technicals of that, of Dogecoin technicals, of Bitcoin technicals, and just kind of show you what is going on in crypto world and why you should be positive. The only Debbie Downer event that could happen is CPI data, and CPI data, will we see this in 8 hours? So in 8 hours from now, we're going to see the CPI data come out, and this will tell the tale, guys. This will tell the tale. If the CPI data comes in hot, then we could see that there could be more tankage out there, definitely for the broader markets. But you know, if we have more banks fails, this is only going to reinforce the fact that crypto is strong. Crypto is here today, and that is why we are seeing that Bitcoin is going up right now. Bitcoin is above $24,000 right now, and one of the reasons is because, you know, the public has lost faith in the banks, guys. So that's why people are moving to crypto, because there's no other place to no other safe haven out there. And you know, crypto is about your financial freedom, and remember, you are your own bank when it comes to Bitcoin, guys. So remember, none of this is financial advice. Absolutely not financial advice. Go down there, boop the likes for humans, boop the likes for aliens, guys, and show much love out there, guys. So let's jump into content without any further delay. As you guys can see, here in Asia, I'm in Asia right now, you can see that the Asian markets are down like crazy. So we're probably going to be seeing that the pre-markets are also, but the pre-markets in the US are looking pretty good. So that's kind of a weird twist, right? Because we did see the US markets were mixed, almost neutral, but the Asian markets are getting hammered right now. Asian markets are getting hammered, but the US pre-markets are looking pretty good. So hopefully, you know, we will see that the U.S. markets will go up, guys. So keep in mind that we do have CPI data that's going to be coming out, and they are looking at 6% is a forecast. 6.4% was a previous forecast, and if we come in hot, I mean over 6%, that is not going to be good. That is going to be a bad look out there, guys. And a lot of people are demanding, a lot of people are calling for no interest rate hikes out there. And their FOMC did have an emergency meeting yesterday. We do not know what the outcome is that. We absolutely do not know what the outcome is that is. We're still about a week over a week away from the new interest rate hikes announcement from the FOMC. So, you know, I absolutely think that we could be seeing at least 25 basis points. If it's more than that, it could actually cave in all of the crypto markets and definitely cave in most of the broader markets, guys. So guys, the proof is in, guys. Even though the banks have collapsed, we are still seeing that the fear and greed is at 56. We're still seeing that the sentiment for Bitcoin is very positive, and we are seeing that Bitcoin right now, we are seeing Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart is still going up, guys. We're at 25,541, and we're seeing that more and more people are cashing out of their banks, and more people are moving into Bitcoin. More and more people are basically panicking, and they're moving their assets into Bitcoin, because they believe that with Bitcoin they can truly have control over their future, could truly have control over their financial future, guys. So let's jump into what's going on in the crypto markets right now. Let me give this a minty refresh. So we are seeing that Bitcoin is up right now about 9%. Ethereum is up. Most of cryptocurrencies are up right now. We are seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is going up. We should hit 44. We're seeing that Ethereum has hit 19% out there, and we're seeing most of the cryptocurrency, even XRP is up, Cardano is up. We're seeing that Polygon is up. We're seeing Doge is up 3%. We're seeing that Shiba Inu is up as well. So things are pretty positive. We're seeing that things on the weekly are looking very good out there. If we take a look at if we take a look at the Bitcoin annual returns right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin right now, we're seeing that March March, we're up 6%. That's amazing, guys. So year to date, we're looking pretty close to around about 45% increase in the price of crypto. So this is cool, guys, because a couple days ago this was negative, right? So we're looking pretty good from that perspective. Things are looking good. Ethereum is looking good as well. Ethereum is booming out there. Well, so it looks like Bitcoin reversal is happening. So we're seeing a huge reversal. The Bob Booker reversal indicator just flashed, guys. So this has flashed in 2012, 2015, 2019. It's just reversed again, guys. So we had this downside, we have reversed. So it is the fourth time in history that we've seen this BTC signal flash. This is hugely bullish, extremely bullish out there. What else is coming in, guys? Breaking: Signature Bank board member and former congressman, you know who, and he's saying that regulators wanted this, guys, wanted this, and that is why we saw all these banks go down, down. I don't want to say that because you know who's listening out there, and that could be bad. Good night, banking system. Hello, Bitcoin. So we're seeing, if you take a look at the Citicorp returns stock, it's down, bing. If you take a look at JP Morgan Chase, down, bing. If you take a look at Bank of America, also down. The only thing that is growing and the only thing that is positive right now is Bitcoin. So there you go. It's right there. Thank you, Stock Money Lizards, for bringing this to our attention. This is beautiful. This is fine, and this is fantastic. Looks like Bitcoin bounced off the multi-year downtrends. This is very positive, guys. This is positive. We had this downtrend, multi-year downtrend. We have bounced off it, so that is positive. So hopefully we can keep this momentum. Hopefully it gets $26,000 coming in for Bitcoin. Just in, Citadel CEO says U.S. capitalism is breaking down before our eyes after the Fed Reserve has rescued SVB out there. So, the Citadel CEO is calling it, guys, absolutely calling it out there. It's interesting times. Just in, looks like these people here, I don't want to say it, swaps now show that the most likely scenario is no more interest rate hikes. So what do you guys think out there? You think that there's going to be a interest rate hike, or is this been the shot across the bow, and Powell is going to say, no, we're not doing that anymore because it's too risque out there? Guys, what do you think? Do you think there will be interest rate hikes coming? And we can see the next interest rate hikes is going to be in 1 week and 2 days, guys. What do you think? We're going to have 25 basis points, we're going to have 50 basis points, or zero interest rates out there? It's coffee time. Yeah, I got my Tokyo Starbucks tumbler out there. I'm at the office. Got to get the coffee out there. So, guys, I personally believe that there's going to be no interest rate hikes out there. That's what I'm thinking. What are you thinking? I want to hear it. Guys, tell me. It's a great time to be live. Yeah, no interest rate hikes. I believe that. I absolutely believe that is what is coming. Looks like Justin Silicon Valley Bank SIVB sued by shareholders for fraud out there. So this is kind of an unwinding story. I'll keep you updated. But it looks like the shareholders are being sued for fraud out there. So I don't know if there's any fraud or malfeasance. I don't know, but I will keep you absolutely updated. If you take a look at the Llama Ding Dong in terms of the total TVL locked, let's give this a minty refresh. We're seeing that the total TVL locked right now is around about 21 billion out there. So we're seeing a big dump in terms of the amount of TVL locked. Number one chain is Lido, Maker, Aave, and Curve out there. But we're seeing in the last 7 days, we're seeing that MakerDAO is up 19% in terms of TVL at 5.2 billion, 8.39 billion, and 19.93. So it looks like we've seen a lot of the total TVL has been drained out. 54% of the total total value locked has been drained out in the last 24 hours. What is going on? I believe that a lot of this has been, a lot of people have switched out all of their different DeFi projects and they bought Bitcoin, guys. Wow. Over 21 billion has been drained out from DeFi projects right now. That is interesting, guys. That is interesting. If you take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin, with Binance right now in terms of their total TVL as well, we're seeing that Binance holders right now, Binance is worth about 58 billion right now, and we are seeing that nothing has changed in terms of what they have done. We're seeing nothing has changed. USDC, their position hasn't moved. USDT 24%, Bitcoin 20%, BUSD 12%. So that's kind of interesting out there. What else is coming in for Dogecoin right now? If we take a look at the Dogecoin price right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin is at 0.734 cents. As I said, we do have resistance at 0.75. We need to get above the 0.75. Let's just paint that in 0.75. It's around about right there. That's where we need to go out there. Let me move my face. We need to draw that line. Let's draw the line. That is our resistance line that we need to get above, and that is a 0.75 area out there. So let me just paint that in. Let me paint that in. Let's get that. So that is our next resistance line for Dogecoin, and from that perspective, if we can get back up there in a hurry, that will show that Dogecoin is going up. But interesting factoid, we're still seeing that Doge Fear and Greed is at 49 out there. Other interesting factoid is the shorts are still not ready. What is going on with that? And guys, did you know that Dogecoin has been up for 4 consecutive days, guys? Is it time to celebrate? But we are seeing that Dogecoin has been up for 4 consecutive days, so that is cool beans out there. It's actually fantastic news that Dogecoin is up. I mean, I'm loving it. You're loving it, guys. Let's take a look at what's going on in terms of Doge right now. It's up 7.329%. That is pretty good. We're seeing that Dogecoin, in terms of the volumes, is still up 485. We're seeing the market cap is 9.7. That is pretty good. And news-wise, nothing really big out there. We are seeing that Dogecoin right now, in the last 7 days is slightly down right now, but overall in the last 4 days Doge is up, so that is pretty good. In terms of who's holding all the Dogecoins, still Robinhood at 24%. Interesting news out there. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is basically just holding steady right now at 1100. We're still waiting for some updates on Shiba Inu. Nothing much is going on. People have been kind of being distracted by this whole banking stuff out there. So guys, I believe that the proof is in. The proof is in, and we're seeing that Bitcoin and everything is reversing to the upside. And even though we have, Bitcoin is going up, we're seeing that all of the different bank stocks are tanking like crazy, guys. So guys, hold on, wait and see. I think we may see $26,000 coming in for Bitcoin. I believe it could happen, guys. So we're right now, we are pretty close. We're pretty close to getting there. We're seeing that we're only about 2% away from breaking past $25,000. And if you take a look at the $26,000 range, what do we need to hit $25,000? Let's take a look. If you want to hit $26,000 from here, we only need to go up about 15%. Sorry, my bad. Only around about 6%. So it is possible, guys. And then we have some really good resistance at 28,000. It is possible we could see a huge reversal coming in, guys. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. I would appreciate it. Follow. We got 6,772 follows. Follow, lick the likes for humans out there. Show some love out there. And guys, don't forget to go down and check all the links, guys. If be part of the freaking conversation, join our Discord, guys. More pain ahead. Wow. More pain ahead out there, guys. And also, too, if you have your crypto on a centralized exchange, get a hardware wallet. You'll be safe out there. You'll feel safer. I'll feel safer that you're safer out there, guys. Don't forget to check out all my links, guys. Go below all the video description and check out the links. So I'm just going to bring this video to an end, guys. I just want to say, guys, be well, be blessed. Guys, the proof is in. The absolute proof is in. Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin could be your financial freedom, not financial advice, guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.